everyone, welcome to CS50W final course, Capstone. So for final project, I have decided to create a platform for my family business, which is order management of educational programs and also accommodation services. So first of all, let's get it started and let's select some programs. So I want to go next week. I'm ordering this full project. I will edit some details. And I select the program. And my order has been successfully submitted. And I get the booking code as well. Also, my friends want to order some accommodation services. So also for next week. Okay. So my friend Jennifer McAllister Jr. wants to have it. And yes, I enter her details, and only 2 of them wants to stay there. And my order has been successfully submitted. I go to the homepage, and I select this person, and I'll also enter my admin account details. And now I have 2 pending orders, 1 confirmed order, and I go to my orders. So here I can just confirm them, or I can cancel them. I can also edit orders. I also can filter them. And this platform was made in a way that it's intuitive and it's easy to work with. I can log out. So tech stack for this program, for this platform, was React on frontend and also Django on backend with SQLite as a database. Also for styling, I used CSS framework TailwindCSS. And also it's made in a way that it's responsive, as we can see. So also it can be used on small screens. So this was my project for CS50W.